Hello my charming family. So in this video I'm going to make this stylish ponytail hairstyle. So let's get started. So firstly take small section from one side, then twist it, secure it with a tic tac pin, then repeat the exact same process on the other side also, then remove this tic tac pin and secure these two sections together with the help of a rubber band. Now I'm going to twist it twice and then pull some hair from both the sides to give it a messy look, and then I'm going to make a ponytail. This thing gives kind of a very elegant look to this ponytail and it looks very different. Yeah, now I'm going to make a ponytail. Now to hide this rubber band, I'm going to take this section and I'm going to wrap it around this rubber band, then secure it with the help of bobby pin. So yeah, the hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you really liked it, press that like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Become part of my charming family by subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest videos. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.